In this example, we're going to be adding fractions with unlike denominators. We're going to just look at one example. So we are adding 4/9 and 1/12. So the first thing we need to work on is what you've already been working on during this lesson, is finding the least common multiple. So we take the first denominator, the 9, and we're going to write out the multiples of 9. Now we're only going to write out 5 of them. So it goes 9, then 9 plus 9 is 18. 18 plus 9 is 27. It also might be easier for you to just think 9 times 1 is 9, 9 times 2 is 18, 9 times 3 is 27, 9 times 4 is 36, and then 9 times 5 is 45. So I just wrote out the first 5 multiples of 9, and now I'm going to write out the first 5 multiples of 12 and see if I see any matches. So it goes 12, 12 plus 12 is 24, 24 plus 12 gives me 36, 36 plus 12 is 48, 48 plus 12 is 60. If it's easier, you can also think of it as 12 times 1 is 12, 12 times 2 is 24, 12 times 3 is 36, 12 times 4 is 48, and 12 times 5 is 60. Now let's see if we have any numbers that are in common. All right, so I'm looking at my two lists, and I notice that they both have a 36 as a multiple. When I compare the numbers before 36, I don't see any that they have in common. And we want the smallest number that they have in common. So this is the smallest number that the two have in common. So I know that I need my denominators to be 36. So I need this to be a 36 and I need this denominator to be a 36. So next what I'm going to do is I'm going to write this problem vertically. So I'm going to record the 4/9 and I'm going to record 1/12, and then I'm going to change them both so that they have a denominator of 36. So I need them both to have a denominator of 36. So I'm going to pick a different color and I'm going to think about 12 times what will give me 36? Well, if I go to my 12 list, I know that 1, 2, 3 12s gave me 36. So I'm multiplying by 3 to get 36. If I multiply 12 by 3 to get 36, I also have to multiply 1 by 3 to get the new numerator. So you'll see that I multiplied the numerator and the denominator by 3. So I multiplied them by the same number. So then I can go over to this problem over here, and I'm going to erase this so I have a little bit more room. And then I'm going to go back to this green color, and I'm going to replace 1/12 with 3 over 36. So I'm going to cross out the 1/12 and replace it with its equivalent fraction. 3 over 36 is equivalent to 1/12. That's why I can replace it with 3 over 36. And then I'm going to choose another color, and I'm going to think about 9 multiplied by what number will give me 36? Well, I go over to my multiples of 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4 9s gave me 36. So I'm multiplying 9 by 4 to get 36. Well, what am I supposed to multiply the numerator by? Well, if I multiply the denominator by 4, I also need to multiply the numerator by 4. So 4 times 4 gives me 16. Now think about it. Essentially what we're doing is we're multiplying by 4 over 4, and 4 over 4 is equal to 1. So if I multiply 4 over 9 by 1, I'm not really changing it. I'm just changing how it looks. So 16 over 36 is equivalent to 4 over 9. So I can cross out 4 over 9 and replace it with its equivalent fraction, 16 over 36. And then I bring down this addition sign, and the denominators are both 36. The denominators stay the same. You don't add the denominators, you keep the denominator the same. And then the part where we need to do the adding is the numerators. So if I have 16/36 and I have 3/36, well, now I have 19 pieces that are size 1/36. So 19/36 is what I have. That is my answer.